Hello, glorious people of the internet. In today's video, we have the ultimate custom water. We got a giveaway for you guys. Global as well. That's right, guys. Zadak and I have teamed up to bring you guys a worldwide giveaway of some of their new RGB memory. We have 2 sticks right here, which we are going to be using in a custom water-cooled PC in a later date coming up. And Zadak will personally be sending you 2 of their sticks to a lucky winner. Now, you may be asking, how do you enter? Well, the link will be down in the description below. Pretty simple. It's a Gleam link. All you have to do is like Zadak's Facebook page and of course be subscribed to my channel. I would also appreciate a comment down below. Helps us out. We'd like to see you guys in the comments, and of course we do reply to everyone, so always good to see you there. Now, you also may be wondering what the RAM looks like. Well, chill out, man. I'm getting there. Here's a bit of a look. I hope you all enjoy, guys. Hit that subscribe button, enter the giveaway for your chance to win some Zadak RAM. I'll be running this for 2 weeks. It will be a global giveaway. Enjoy.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and then stabbing my back, they will knock me off track.